Hello friends, welcome back to Ask with the Boy. Today I have brought you the detailed review of MND90 model, which is based on Land Rover Defender 90 platform. As you can see, the look of this truck is amazing and the body plastics of this MN90 model is quite well built, much better than WPL. Only if it had non-glossy or matte look on the outside, it could have been easily become the best looking mini crawler out there in the market. The interiors are nice and detailed. They have provided roof is snorkel like a classic Defender, and the mirrors need to be chromed for more scale look. Also a spare tire. The window glasses are not provided in the kit. It has an opening bonnet for placing battery, and only the headlights work in the stock form. They also provide a nice set of decals which you can stick around the body. Make sure that you do a scan copy of this decal so that you can use this in future projects, and also correct the few spelling mistakes like the one which is mentioned as Defender instead of Defender. The kit comes with a powerful 180 motor, and the entire drivetrain and axles are made of plastics. You can check out the inside of axle in this video. As you can see, MN90's plastic axle is much longer than WPL's axle, so you cannot directly replace WPL's axle inside MN90's axle housing. So either you have to wait for MN90's axles, metal axles to upgrade, or you have to build the MN90's axles with metal axle gears from WPL. The steering is powered by 17G servo like WPL, and it is fixed on the body instead of axle, which causes bump steer and stiffness in suspension. I have put a metal link with ball joints to reduce the same. When compared to WPL, the tires are slightly bigger and cushier, as well as the suspension is bigger, better, and flexes more. Due to the heavier weight of MN90's body and body roll movement, the ride quality seems more realistic and scary. This doesn't seem to be 1:12 scale, but still it is wider in terms of body as well as axle.